Welcome to the channel, everyone. Today we are going to learn about one of the cornerstones of Indian legal and commercial system, the Indian Contract Act 1872. It is the foundation of all agreements and obligations in our day-to-day lives, from buying groceries to signing million-dollar business deals. Without it, the structure of trust and enforceability in our society would collapse. So, first of all, we'll see what is a contract. Section 2H of the Indian Contract Act 1872 defines an contract as an agreement enforceable by law. So, एक contract two essential elements consist करता है, an agreement and its enforceability by law. And agreement क्या होता है? Section 2E of the Act defines an agreement. Every promise and every set of promises forming the consideration for each other. यानी अगर कोई भी दो पार्टीज आपस में एक दूसरे को कोई प्रॉमिस करती है एंड प्रॉमिसेस के बदले में वो एक दूसरे के लिए कंसिडरेशन क्रिएट करते हैं, देन इट इज़ कॉल्ड एग्रीमेंट. Now, what is a promise? Section 2B defines promise as when the person to whom the proposal is made signifies his assent thereto, the proposal is said to be accepted. अगर कोई एक पार्टी दूसरी पार्टी को प्रपोजल देती है एंड जिस पार्टी को प्रपोजल दिया जाता है अगर वो एक्सेप्ट कर लेती है, then it is said to be accepted. And proposal when accepted becomes a promise. And every promise and every set of promises forming the consideration for each other is called agreement. So, in brief, when the person to whom the proposal is made signifies his assent on that proposal, then proposal becomes accepted and accepted proposal becomes a promise. So, agreement is equal to offer plus acceptance plus consideration. And जो second essential element है enforceability by law. An agreement to become a contract must give rise to a legal obligation. So, कोई भी एग्रीमेंट है उसे कॉन्ट्रैक्ट बनने के लिए एक लीगल ऑब्लिगेशन की रिक्वायरमेंट होती है, विच मीन्स अ ड्यूली एनफोर्सेबल बाय लॉ. Thus, from the above definitions, we can conclude contract is equal to agreement plus enforceability by law. यानी किसी भी एग्रीमेंट को कॉन्ट्रैक्ट बनने के लिए उसका लीगल ऑब्लिगेशन क्रिएट करना ज़रूर रिक्वायर्ड होता है. फॉर एग्ज़ाम्पल, अगर ए एग्रीज विद बी टू सेल कार फॉर 2 lakh टू बी, देन हियर A is under an obligation to give car to B and B has the right to receive the car on payment of 2 lakh, and also B is under an obligation to pay rupees 2 lakh to A and A has a right to receive rupees 2 lakh. So इसमें दोनों पार्टीज एक दूसरे का जो ऑफर है वो एक्सेप्ट कर रहे हैं, जो कि एक लीगल ऑब्लिगेशन क्रिएट कर रहा है. एंड फॉर एग्जाम्पल 2, a father promises his son to pay him pocket allowance of rupees 500 every month, but he refuses to pay later. So, the son cannot recover the same in court of law as this is a agreement. यानी ये सिर्फ एक एग्रीमेंट है, इसे ये लीगली एनफोर्सेबल नहीं है लॉ के द्वारा. सो दिस इज़ नॉट क्रिएटेड विद एन इंटेंशन टू क्रिएट लीगल रिलेशनशिप, हैंस इट इज़ नॉट अ कॉन्ट्रैक्ट. सो जो इंटेंशन है कोई भी एग्रीमेंट करते वक्त उसमें इंटेंशन रिक्वायर्ड होता है लीगल रिलेशनशिप क्रिएट करने का. सो लॉ ऑफ कॉन्ट्रैक्ट डील्स विद ओनली सच लीगल ऑब्लिगेशन विच हैज़ रिजल्टेड फ्रॉम एग्रीमेंट्स. Such obligation must be contractual in nature. However, some obligations are outside the purview of the law of contract. Example 3, an obligation to maintain wife and children, an order of the court of law. These are statute obligations, so out of the scope of Contract Act. Thank you for watching, and like, share and subscribe the channel.